That's the problem with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awfully long time.
Ha! Would you prefer that we fly with a chute on the marsh? I think not, my sweet. This way.
Excuse me, I was wondering if you could help.
No, just keep walking, dear. Eyes front. UFO at 4 o'clock.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path does not deserve his wing.
But I got lost on foot. You see, I can't fly.
Bah, infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Fine, very well. But geese, migrants, birds of passage, we run a tight fleet. And it wouldn't do for us to lose our way now, would it?
Where are you off to?
Back to my mother on the lake. I think it was that way. I saw some ducks flying overhead just a moment ago.
Well, if they were, it was probably the last flying mission.
What do you mean?
There's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men moves through the marsh, scattering ducks into the air. While the second group, with guns, shoots them back up in the air again.
That's terrible. The cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Well, yes, you see, I was with this cat.
Didn't your mother warn you about how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yes, but she said she was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs! They must be starting the shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I had hoped it wouldn't come to this, but I have no choice. All right, at ease. Company, fall in. I did not mean literally. All right, eyes front. Now you are about to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have never faced before. One of reconnaissance and ring unification.
This duckling's lost his mom. Bless him. And we're going to find her.
You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will succeed. We're off on a wild geese chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where. My goggles is well, and goggles is sure to find your home.
Runways clear, careful to make off dear. We must play our part.
Partner team, I hear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chalks away, our edge play must start. We're off on a wild goose chase. And our simple mission, position, the whereabouts of your farm. We're off, and unless we're blown into kingdom come, we won't be back until we found your mom.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from over here.
Oh, barnacles, cattails do not advance. If they're known for one thing, it is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I'd lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still my quaking legs. I'm going to be goosed. What are you doing here?
Well, I've come to take you back home.
Home? With my mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course, she's the one who sent me.
Listen here, cat. I am in command around here. My squadron has taken personal command of this duckling's safe return to his mother.
And you plan on flying at this hour. Haven't you heard? The guns.
We'll commence flying, Maneuvers, as soon as the shoot is over.
It's their party, butterflies, they want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Tell you what, I'll go over to the chute and let you know when they're packing up for the day.
Fine, but no funny business. I know several ways to escape your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot, and I'm your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from foggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the event of an unlikely emergency, I ask you to observe the safety procedures implemented so many times before. We hope that you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose as the fluffy skies.
We won't be back until we land. The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lines.
All right, final check then. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm gonna leave you alone for the duckling, do you? Oh no, Cat, you're coming with us.
Cat litter.
Wings are spread, so don't delay. Our access bags are stowed away. It's time to fly. We don't want to fly. These days, I'll be waiting clear on Cheerios. Goodbye to the dear fortune. We won't be back until we found my mom.
Oh no! What's happening? My God! She lied! She said the people put away their guns. I thought she was my friend. Oh, Mama, what do I do now?